Hey everyone! Welcome back to WeSo Health Tips, your ultimate channel for life-changing health advice. I'm here to help you take charge of your health because let's face it, your well-being is everything. Today's topic is a heavy hitter, smoking. We're diving deep into the impact it has on your body, every organ, every system, and every cell. Stick around because we're not just here to inform, but to empower. Let's kick things off with your respiratory system. Your lungs are the heroes that keep you breathing, but smoking sabotages them. Smoking isn't just a bad habit, it's a one-way ticket to chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, also known as COPD. Imagine struggling to breathe with every step you take. Conditions like chronic bronchitis and emphysema develop as smoking destroys the alveoli, those tiny air sacs responsible for oxygen exchange. And let's not forget lung cancer. The carcinogens in tobacco smoke are relentless. Studies show that smoking causes 80 to 90% of lung cancer cases. Think about that staggering number. If you've noticed persistent coughing or shortness of breath, don't ignore it. Early detection can save lives. Your heart is at the center of it all, literally. But smoking places it under incredible strain. The nicotine in cigarettes not only raises blood pressure but also narrows blood vessels. This double whammy increases the risk of heart attacks and strokes dramatically. And let's talk about atherosclerosis, the hardening of arteries that makes your heart work overtime just to pump blood. The lack of oxygen caused by smoking only adds fuel to the fire. It's a vicious cycle, but it's one you can break. Our immune system is like a fortress, defending us against invaders like viruses and bacteria. But smoking weakens this defense line, making infections more frequent and harder to fight off. Not only that, but smokers also face slower wound healing. Even small cuts or injuries can take twice as long to recover. Quitting is like patching up that fortress, making your body's defense strong again. Let's zoom in on oral health. Smoking doesn't just stain your teeth, it leads to gum disease, tooth loss, and bad breath. But the damage doesn't stop there. Smokers are at a much higher risk of developing oral cancers, including cancer of the throat and esophagus. A healthy smile doesn't just light up a room, it's a sign of good health. Don't let smoking dim that smile. Smoking has a ripple effect on your entire body. From increasing the risk of bladder, pancreas, and kidney cancer to affecting reproductive health, it's far-reaching. Men, this means an increased risk of erectile dysfunction. Women, smoking can harm fertility and lead to pregnancy complications. And let's talk about aging. Smoking accelerates skin aging, leaving you with wrinkles and a dull complexion. And did you know smoking weakens bones, increasing the risk of osteoporosis? Every puff impacts you in ways you might not see right away. Here's the hard truth. Smoking kills more than 8 million people worldwide every year, including 1.3 million non-smokers exposed to secondhand smoke. According to the CDC, over 16 million Americans live with a smoking-related disease too. As Dr. Gro Harlem Brundtland, former Director General of the WHO, once said, "Tobacco is the only consumer product that kills when used as intended." Let that sink in. Whether it's protecting your family or improving your health, find a powerful personal reason to quit. Set a quit date, mark it on your calendar and stick to it. Use nicotine replacement therapy, NRT options like patches, gum, or lozenges can ease withdrawal symptoms. Avoid situations or habits that make you crave a cigarette. Exercise, take a walk, or pick up a hobby to distract yourself. Share your goal with friends and family, or join a support group. Celebrate milestones with small treats or gifts. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to a healthier, smoke-free life. Now it's over to you. If this video resonates with you, share it with someone who might need to hear it. Let's spark a movement of healthier, smoke-free lives. And hey, don't forget to click that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip that could transform your health. Together, we can make a difference. See you in the next episode of WeSo Health Tips, where your health is our priority.